This is Uttam.
Yeah.
Uttam now keep.
Yeah.
Doing for here. Ministry. Chỉ nga cái kịp nó hiện tại làm cái sổ thì nào here.
Pakai paten Jisu.
Pakai paten Jisu.
Ministry chat low. How you say?
Ministry cái chiu. With the student community are here ready for the gospel campaign. So this is how our brothers are marching to other village. Holah. See a smile, even though some are tired.
Praise the Lord, we are walking.
Praise the Lord, praise the Lord.
We are going to ministry in Holah.
So this is how our brothers are tirelessly walking for the Lord. Very good, keep it up. So finally friends, we have reached our destiny. So here are our brothers, so tired after walking for a long distance. So here we have our church. Okay, now we are starting walking. We are cleaning the campus. This is upstairs of the church. Our brother has already started. Yeah, they say we need video also because of that you are taking that. Yeah, pastor also walking very hard. Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Hết thầy khát chú hết chi hậu in hi adi believer he hlom cha hi in li in nga dung ba ma hi in hita cha ho in ver jang su thing be elvo tas nen de ha ko yo na sunday ni de mi gup ham ki khom ji wa hitia che hing ham mo hi in hi ja cha ho in ver ho jang kai ho ka chi wa hita cha kom na diu han nang ka ke man cha no mà làm dấu xì ta he các cái sự thiêng hoa hay ta chung phát trong khát ni ni thum các cái man cha ăn điều cho kem pang sung ho hay ta chu sự thiêng na cái này yo he aji chu ho lang lo ho na he kui ma jang lo khat ve sunday ni bo la cái khom ji o hi in ja ho in dung jang hen nang ge so yang nen de a hi ta cha koi wa ada tho hi in ja cái hon pathin tu sei ki holwa ato thu a hita chu ki tho pi na ka ga ne yo a he
Jesus, go and make disciples of all nations, baptize them, teach them to obey everything I've commanded you. Jesus, go and make disciples of all nations, baptize them, teach them to obey everything I've commanded you. Jesus, go, all nations, baptize them, baptize them. Gotta love as Jesus loved. When you love, you'll be known as disciples. Gotta love as Jesus loved. When you love, you'll be known as disciples. Jesus said, go and make disciples. disciples of all nations. Baptize them, teach them to obey everything I have commanded you. Jesus said, go, 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 all nations. Baptize them, baptize them. You gotta hold the word, deny yourself. Take the cross and follow Jesus. Gotta hold the word, deny yourself. Take the cross and follow Jesus. Jesus said, go, 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 go and make disciples of all nations. Baptize them, teach them to obey everything I've commanded you. Jesus said, go, go, go. He'll never leave you nor forsake you. He will be with you to the end of the end. Jesus said, go, 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 go and make disciples of all nations. Baptize them, teach them to obey everything I have commanded you. All nations, baptize all nations.